pick on. To treat someone badly or to bully. The boys always pick on him at school. Don't pick on your little sister. Get down. To feel sad or unhappy, depressed. Losing the match really got him down. The news about the cancellation got everyone down. Give away. To give something to someone for free. She gave away her old clothes. The store is giving away gifts. Pull down. To destroy or remove something. They pulled down the old building. The storm pulled down trees. Lie down. To put your body in a flat position to rest. He lay down after dinner. I need to lie down for a while. Run out of. To have no more of something left. We ran out of milk this morning. She ran out of money while shopping. Talk back. To answer someone rudely, especially an adult. Don't talk back to your parents. The student talked back to the teacher. Come down with. To become sick with an illness. She came down with the flu last week. He came down with a fever after the trip. Drop off. To take someone or something to a place and leave them there. He dropped off the package at the office. I will drop off my sister at school.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!